Get ready to supercharge your ride. From mind-blowing safety gear to smart tech that makes every trip easier, we've rounded up 18 of the coolest bike gadgets that will take your cycling game to the next level. Whether you're commuting, hitting the trails, or just riding for fun, these gadgets are all about convenience, style, and pure riding enjoyment. Stick around, because some of these are absolute game changers you won't want to miss. Kamingo E-bike Kit. The Kamingo E-bike Kit is a smart way to turn your regular bicycle into an e-bike without replacing the whole thing. Weighing just 2.3 kilograms, it delivers a surprising 750 watts of peak power while still keeping your bike's natural feel and clean look. Its 266 watt battery can take you up to 90 kilometers on assisted rides, making it great for daily commuting or long city trips. Installation is simple too. Just mount it on the bottle cage or seat stays, and you're ready to roll. And with a price tag of around $350, it's one of the most affordable electric upgrades you can get. The friction drive system isn't the best for very chunky tires or rough off-road trails, but for road bikes and city cycling, this little kit is an absolute game changer. Lumos Ultra E-bike Smart Helmet. The Lumos Ultra E-bike Smart Helmet is perfect for riders who want real safety with a touch of smart tech. For around $230, it packs bright built-in LED turn signals that sync with a wireless handlebar remote, making your moves clear and predictable in busy city traffic. It also features MIPS technology and full CPSC certification, giving you extra protection against rotational impacts. Through the companion app, you can customize light patterns, adjust settings, and even track your rides. It's comfortable, well-ventilated, and has a clean, modern design that stands out without being flashy. For anyone who wants a smarter and safer ride, this helmet is one of the best upgrades you can add to your e-bike setup. Garmin Varia RTL 515. The Garmin Varia RTL 515 is one of the smartest and most dependable safety gadgets you can add to your bike. For about $150, it combines a bright, long-range taillight with a rear-facing radar that can detect approaching vehicles from up to 153 yards away. It pairs effortlessly with Garmin Edge devices, smartphones, and even ride with GPS, giving you clear visual and audible alerts so you always know what's coming from behind. The light is visible from up to a mile away, keeping you noticeable in all kinds of riding conditions. Despite its compact size, it delivers up to 16 hours of battery life, making it perfect for daily commutes and long weekend rides. For any regular cyclist, the Varia RTL 515 quickly becomes a must-have for peace of mind on the road. The bike action camera is a super versatile gadget that every cyclist can appreciate. For around $180, it shoots crisp 4K UHD video with 6-axis stabilization, so your footage stays smooth even when the trail gets rough. What makes it even cooler is that it doubles as a cycling computer, giving you GPS tracking, speed data, and route logging right on its sharp 0.96-inch IPS display. It also comes with Wi-Fi for quick transfers and an IMX335 sensor that delivers solid night vision performance. Add in a bright built-in headlight, IP65 waterproofing, and an easy mounting system, and you get a camera that's ready for any ride, day or night. Perfect for capturing your adventures while keeping you fully informed on the road or trail. Swytch Max Plus Front Hub Kit. The Swytch Max Plus Front Hub Kit is a simple and smart way to give almost any regular bike an electric boost. Weighing just 2.6 kilograms, it delivers 250 watts of power and 40 newton-meters of torque, giving you smooth, responsive pedal assistance without changing the natural feel of your ride. Installation is quick and beginner-friendly, so most cyclists can set it up in minutes. Depending on your battery mode, you can expect a range between 15 and 30 kilometers. Perfect for daily commutes, grocery runs, or short city trips. Priced at around €550, it's a budget-friendly alternative to buying a whole new e-bike, letting you enjoy electric riding while keeping the bike you already love. Fanttik X9 Ace Mini Bike Pump. The Fanttik X9 Ace Mini Bike Pump is a must-have for cyclists who want speed and convenience in a tiny package. For For just $40, this compact pump packs a 5,000 mAh battery that can inflate up to 8 tires on a single charge. It delivers up to 150 psi with a 10 min airflow, letting you pump a 700 dry 23C tire in around 32 seconds. The clever all-in-one hose rotates smoothly between Presta and Schrader valves, so you don't have to deal with adapters or tangles. It also features a smart cooling system that allows up to 25 minutes of continuous use and an auto shutoff function for perfectly accurate pressure every time. Portable, fast, and incredibly practical. It's the kind of gadget you'll be glad to have on every ride. Victoper Bike Light. The Victoper Bike Light is a great pick for riders who want strong visibility without spending much. At just $25, it packs dual high-lumen LEDs that light up the road ahead, making night rides feel much safer. With 6 front light modes and 4 rear modes, you can easily adjust brightness and patterns depending on traffic or trail conditions. It's built from durable aluminum alloy and carries an IPX4 waterproof rating, so rain, splashes, and rough paths won't slow it down. The light is lightweight, quick to mount, and even works as a handheld flashlight when needed. Affordable, reliable, and impressively bright, the Victoper Bike Light is a solid companion for everyday cycling. REDSHIFT ARCLIGHT Pro. The REDSHIFT ARCLIGHT Pro pedals are a next-level upgrade for cyclists who want both safety and serious performance. Priced around $200, they're built from CNC machined aluminum with 10 replaceable pins on each side, giving you rock-solid grip on any terrain. But the real magic is the built-in Smart Set LED lights that automatically switch colors, white in front, red in back, so you're always visible in the right direction. These lights offer full 360-degree visibility and up to 36 hours of USB rechargeable runtime, making you up to 57% more noticeable to traffic. Rugged, weatherproof, and incredibly sleek, the ARCLIGHT Pro pedals blend MTB-level durability with smart safety tech, making them a standout upgrade for any rider. BikeHand Bike Repair Stand. The BikeHand Bike Repair Stand is a great pick for home mechanics and anyone who likes keeping their bike in top shape. For about $85, it offers an impressive balance of strength and portability, holding bikes up to 25 kilograms while staying lightweight thanks to its aluminum alloy build. The 360-degree rotatable clamp and quick-release adjustments make it easy to position your bike at just the right angle for repairs, cleaning, or upgrades. When you're done, it folds down into a compact size that's simple to store. It even comes with a magnetic tool plate to keep screws and small parts from rolling away. Durable, stable, and backed by a 5-year warranty, it makes home bike maintenance smooth and stress-free. The bike speaker and phone holder is a super handy all-in-one gadget that brings entertainment, safety, and convenience to your rides. For about $60, it includes a 5-watt Bluetooth speaker that delivers clear, crisp audio and even supports TF cards, aux input, and hands-free calling, so you can stay connected without taking your eyes off the road. The sturdy phone mount fits most 3.5 to 7-inch devices and holds them steady even on bumpy trails. It also packs bright LED lights, a loud 120 dB horn, and a built-in 5,000 mAh power bank to keep your devices charged on long trips. Compact, durable, and easy to mount, this multifunctional gadget upgrades every cycling adventure by keeping you safer, entertained, and fully equipped. E-bike battery bag. The e-bike battery bag is a smart, practical upgrade for any e-bike rider who needs extra storage and proper battery protection. Priced around $80, it comes with a dedicated battery compartment and a protective divider that keeps your battery secure and stable during rides. With a generous 40L capacity, it has plenty of room for tools, clothes, groceries, or trip essentials. The EVA hardshell design is durable, water-resistant, and gives the bag a clean, modern look, while reflective strips boost visibility at night. Inside, padded cushioning protects delicate items from bumps and vibrations. Stable, spacious, and ready for any weather, this bag keeps your gear organized and your rides worry-free. Smart Bike Helmet. The Smart Bike Helmet is a next-level gadget for cyclists who value safety and tech. Priced at $184, it combines a sturdy ABS hardshell, EPS liner, and MIPS system for top-tier impact protection, meeting CPSC and EN 1078 standards. Its 360 lighting system with over 500 lumens, turn signals, and brake lights ensures maximum visibility on the road. Using the Unit 1 app, riders can customize lighting with over 1.5 million combinations and sync devices seamlessly. Built-in crash detection adds an extra layer of safety by alerting emergency contacts automatically. Stylish, innovative, and packed with features, it's a must-have for modern cyclists. Garmin Cycling Computer. The Garmin Cycling Computer is a top-tier gadget for cyclists who demand accuracy, connectivity, and smart features. Priced around $690, it boasts a bright color touchscreen with detailed maps, real-time navigation, and advanced performance tracking to help you ride smarter. Its battery lasts up to 60 hours in saver mode, perfect for long rides or multi-day adventures. Safety and convenience features like road hazard alerts, Climb Pro Ascent Planner, smart group ride connectivity, messaging, and incident detection keep you informed and protected. The built-in speaker delivers clear voice prompts and a digital bike bell, while Garmin Pay makes payments seamless on the go. Truly an all-in-one companion for serious riders. Vertical Bike Stand. The Vertical Bike Stand is a smart, space-saving solution for cyclists who want hassle-free bike storage. Priced around $36, its freestanding design means no drilling or wall mounts are needed. Setup is quick and easy. Lockable 360-degree wheels make moving and positioning your bike simple, while the sturdy triangular frame and adjustable V-shaped brackets keep bikes up to 55 pounds stable and secure. Compatible with 24-inch to 29-inch bikes, it works for both mountain and road bikes. Built from heavy-duty steel, this stand is perfect for garages, apartments, or sheds, keeping your bike upright, organized, and always ready to ride. Practical, durable, and efficient, it's a must-have for any cyclist. Garmin Tacx Boost Trainer. The Garmin Tacx Boost Trainer is a high-quality gadget designed for cyclists who want an authentic indoor training experience. Priced around $170, it features a magnetic brake with 10 adjustable resistance levels, delivering up to 1,050 watts for challenging workouts. The included speed sensor tracks your speed and distance accurately and syncs seamlessly with popular apps like Tacx and TrainerRoad. Its stable 2-click mounting system makes setup quick and hassle-free, while the 1.65 kilogram flywheel creates a smooth, road-like ride feel. Compact, durable, and versatile, the Tacx Boost Trainer is perfect for year-round indoor training, whether you're a beginner or an experienced cyclist looking to stay fit off-season. Bike Alarm. The Bike Alarm is a compact, reliable gadget that keeps bikes, e-bikes, scooters, and motorcycles safe. At just $19, it comes with a sensitive vibration sensor, offering 7 adjustable levels, instantly alerting you to any tampering. The included remote control works up to 66 feet and features a vehicle search function with 3 bell options, making it easy to find your ride in busy areas. With IP55 waterproofing, adjustable volume, and battery-saving tech, it delivers long-lasting performance you can trust. Lightweight, easy to install, and highly responsive, the Bike Alarm is an affordable, practical security solution that gives every rider peace of mind. Fingerprint Bike Lock. The Fingerprint Bike Lock is a smart, high-tech upgrade for cyclists who want security without the hassle of keys or codes. Priced around $50, it uses advanced AI biometric recognition to unlock in just 0.2 seconds. Simply use your fingertip and go. It also connects with a Bluetooth app and Apple Watch, giving you extra control, tracking, and convenience. Built from durable alloy steel with a strong braided cable, offering 55,000 Nen shear resistance, it feels solid and reliable. With an IP67 waterproof rating and a battery that lasts for roughly 3,000 unlocks per charge, this lock combines modern technology with practical, everyday dependability for any rider.